Empowering healthy habits. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you live your best life by providing practical and effective tips for a healthier lifestyle. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Today, we're going to reveal the 10 must-know secrets for maintaining your weight loss, so you can stay on track and feel great. Let's dive right in. Secret 1. Set realistic goals. It's essential to have a clear, achievable plan in place to keep yourself motivated and on track. Remember, maintaining your weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Setting smaller, attainable goals will help you stay focused and feel successful along the way. Secret 2. Keep track of your progress. Monitoring your weight, food intake, and exercise regularly can help you stay accountable and make necessary adjustments. Use a journal, an app, or even a simple spreadsheet to document your journey. This way, you can celebrate your successes and identify areas for improvement. Secret 3. Make mindful eating a habit. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and focus on eating slowly and enjoying your meals. This practice can help prevent overeating and help you better understand your body's needs. Secret 4. Stay active. Physical activity is key to maintaining weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise. Find activities you enjoy, and mix it up to keep things interesting and fun. Secret 5. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with positive, encouraging people who will help you stay motivated and accountable. Join a weight loss group, work out with friends, or connect with like-minded individuals online. Secret 6. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and resist temptations. Set aside time each week to plan your meals and grocery list, and consider prepping ingredients or entire meals ahead of time for busy days. Secret 7. Learn to manage stress. Stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies that you enjoy. Secret 8. Prioritize sleep. Getting adequate, quality sleep is essential for weight maintenance, as it helps regulate hormones and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Secret 9. Allow yourself occasional treats. Depriving yourself of your favorite foods can lead to feelings of frustration and ultimately binge eating. Instead, practice moderation and enjoy your favorite indulgences in small portions from time to time. Secret 10. Be patient and stay committed. Maintaining weight loss is a lifelong journey, and it's crucial to stay persistent and focused on your goals. Remember, setbacks are normal. What's important is how you bounce back and keep moving forward. So, there you have it. The 10 must-know secrets for maintaining your weight loss and staying on track. Let's quickly recap. 1. Set realistic goals. 2. Keep track of your progress. 3. Make mindful eating a habit. 4. Stay active. 5. Build a strong support system. 6. Plan your meals. 7. Learn to manage stress. 8. Prioritize sleep. 9. Allow yourself occasional treats. 10. Be patient and stay committed. If you encounter setbacks or obstacles, don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, weight maintenance is a journey, and setbacks are a normal part of the process. Instead, focus on learning from these experiences and finding ways to get back on track. If you're struggling, reach out to your support system or consider seeking guidance from a registered dietitian or other health professional. They can help you identify any barriers you may be facing and provide personalized advice to help you overcome them. Lastly, remember that consistency is key. Staying committed to your weight maintenance journey and applying these 10 secrets consistently over time will help you achieve long-lasting success. It's not about being perfect. It's about making progress and staying dedicated to your goals. Keep pushing forward, celebrate your accomplishments, and remember that you have the power to create a healthier, happier future for yourself. We hope these 10 secrets have provided you with valuable insights and motivation to help you maintain your weight loss success. Remember, the journey is different for everyone, so take your time, stay focused, and always strive to be the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical and effective tips to live your best life. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and keep shining.